Welcome to our video on the ultimate guide to finding the best prop firm for options trading. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Then keep watching as we show you how to find the right prop firm to meet your needs. Section 1: What is a prop firm? Before we dive into the details of finding the best prop firm for options trading, let's start with the basics. What is a prop firm? A prop firm is a trading firm that uses its own capital to trade financial markets. Prop firms offer traders access to larger amounts of capital, better tools and technology, and professional networks. In exchange, traders share a portion of their profits with the firm. Section 2: Factors to consider when choosing a prop firm. When it comes to choosing a prop firm for options trading, there are several factors to consider. These include capital requirements. How much capital does the prop firm require you to have to start trading? Fees. What are the fees charged by the prop firm? Are there any hidden fees? Risk management. How does the prop firm manage risk? What risk controls are in place? Trading tools and technology. What trading tools and technology does the prop firm offer? Trading environment. What is the trading environment like at the prop firm? Payout structure. How is the payout structure determined? Section 3: Top prop firms for options trading. Now that we know what to look for in a prop firm, let's take a look at some of the top prop firms for options trading. Jane Street. Known for its quantitative trading strategies and cutting-edge technology. Optiver. Specializes in options and ETF trading with a focus on risk management. DRW Trading. Offers a range of trading opportunities across different asset classes. IMC Trading. Uses a data-driven approach to trading and offers opportunities for traders of all experience levels. Flow Traders. Specializes in ETF and options trading with a strong focus on technology. Section 4: How to apply to a prop firm. Now that you know what to look for in a prop firm and have a list of some of the top firms, it's time to apply. Here are some tips to help you prepare for the application process. Research the firm. Learn as much as you can about the prop firm you are interested in. Practice trading. Use a demo account or paper trading to practice your trading skills. Prepare your resume. Highlight your relevant trading experience and education. Be prepared for interviews. Be ready to discuss your trading strategy and risk management approach. That's it for our ultimate guide to finding the best prop firm for options trading. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the right prop firm for you. Remember to do your research and choose a prop firm that fits your trading style and goals. Thanks for watching.